Drag everything to the back. You drag it. You drag it. You see, this is the one I'm dragging. You bring it. You drag it. Just focus your hand. I'm still dragging it. Okay. Welcome back. Yes, we are going to continue. Yes, as you all know, you already know how I will achieve this 6 plates. Okay, this is 50-50. 50-50 means equal. In case you don't know how we achieve it, go and watch that video. The first one, the plate is there, then you cross it at the back, cross it, make sure it's firm. It's firm. This is 50-50. Okay, you can put your rose here, you can put your rose here, you can put your rose here, but me, I'm going to put my rose. If you want to put your rose at the middle, just do it this way, put it there. If you want to put it in this way, let this one come to this way. If you want to put it this way, let this one come to this way. Okay guys, today I'm going to put my rose here because I like putting my rose here. Okay guys, this is 50-50. Then we are going to twist this one. We're going to go, this one is coming this way. Okay, you twist it, you place it here up. Don't use it to close the layers you have achieved. Just put it up here. Okay, just put it up here. Yeah, this is not center, this is side. This one, open it like this. Yes, just use this one to fold it to make sure you secure it. Then you see this excess, we are going to use this excess to create the rose. We have different way we create rose and we have different type of rose, but this tutorial is the easy way how you can tie it easy. Then you start, you see, don't take from here because all this hedge is the beauty. Take from here like this, then you place it here, then you start dragging it. You start dragging it. You start dragging it. Drag everything to the back. You drag it. You drag it. You see, this is the one I'm dragging. You bring it. You drag it. Just focus your hand. I'm still dragging it. Okay. You drag everything. Don't drag the edge here. Drag inside. Okay. This is the end of the dragging. You need office pin. This is office pin. You use it to secure. You just be careful. Pin it. You can use 2. Okay. So this one is the extra. This one was the one coming from this way. This one very easy because this one is not the shorter one. Open it as well. Then just fold it like this. Fold it nicely. Then you cover this edge. You see these 2 edge, this edge and this edge. Just bring them together like this. Then you put 1 office pin. You pin it. You just pin it. Then you do the setting. The setting is how you want it. Yes, that is just the secret of Gele. You set it. You set it. Make sure you bring out any edge like this, edge like this. Okay. Just try and set it a little bit. Guys, you are free ready to rock that party. If you observe, you see that back, you see this place. If you don't like it the way it is, just use your finger to push it inside. Just push it inside. Secure it with a pin, with office pin. That is just the secret of Gele. All those Gele you see on Instagram, that is it. This is Rose Gele. This is the back. Let me show you the back. In case you have excess fabric here, just fold it inside. Fold it nicely. Okay, you are free to go. Simple style. Rose. If you want to push it a little bit this way, just push it. Push it. Yes. Just push it. Thank you. Thank you. How to tie rose, how to tie twisted Gele. Thank you. See you on my next class. If you have not subscribed, subscribe. More surprise, more teaching, more skills, different learning are coming. This is our year of learning. Please guys, don't be lazy. Learn. No excuse. This 2021, no excuse. I can't tie my hair, I can't do makeup. This is the season of training. Learn something on yourself. Do it on yourself, by yourself, in your head, by yourself. Thank you. This is rose. We call this one rose. We have different type of rose. This rose is what you can do easy by yourself. Rose Gele. Rose Gele. Rose. Thank you. Bye.